Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Toyota Tacoma fog lights. Begin by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then disconnect the negative battery terminal. Remove the wheel or access panel to reach the fog light assembly, and keep hardware organized so reassembly is simple. Use a trim tool to avoid damaging clips and set old bulbs aside for proper disposal or recycling. Start with the wheel turned for better access and remove any fasteners holding the liner. Peel back the liner enough to see the fog light housing, then locate and unplug the wiring harness from the back of the lamp. Release retaining clips or screws that secure the assembly and gently extract the housing without bending tabs. Keep track of every screw and clip in a small container for easy reinstallation later. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers. They save time, stop spills during shop cleanup, and keep parts sorted when you transport bulbs or screws. They're great for long days working on your Tacoma and for lunch between steps. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Handle the bulb by its base and remove the old one by twisting or releasing its clip, avoiding contact with the glass. Insert the new bulb securely and reconnect the wiring harness to ensure a proper electrical connection. Before replacing the liner and fasteners, turn on the fog lights to verify correct operation and aim. If alignment is off, adjust the housing screws until the beam is centered and consistent on both sides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.